As you can see, my dog, I'm getting ready to fix one of my favorite pair of pajamas, my onesies. And if you can see that my dog got a hold of them and he ate the crotch out. So there's a big hole, yep, in the crotch of my onesie. I'm just going to insert a gusset in there, cut a piece of fleece out, black fleece out, and insert it in right in there. All right, so I'm just going to even up these rough edges. Just cut everything evenly all the way around. All right, so now I'm going to cut a piece of fleece approximately the size of this hole. I'm going to say about 7 inches. I'm going to cut a 7-inch square. Well, at least the width will be 7 inches. And I'm just making it about, let's see, where is it? It's okay. And we'll do it about 3 inches wide. So now I'm going to turn this wrong sides out, or inside out. I can find the inside. Okay, here we go. You can actually cut this in half. It's a little too big. And I'm just going to pin this in, right sides together. And then I'm just really just going to sew all the way, I'm just going to sew all the way around. And now I'm just going to sew all the way around. All right, so I went ahead and I sewed this piece of fleece into the hole. And then I got a little extra fabric around here. I'm just gonna cut that off. Then I'll show you what it looks like on the other side. Turn it right sides out. And voila, hole is closed. Perfect.